There's been an inordinate amount of buzz around this vehicle ever since its updated version was shown in Thailand and Indonesia last year, and it picked up some more after the Malaysia reveal in February 2021. Last year, this was Toyota Motor Philippines' fourth top seller with more than 10,000 units sold, besting 18 other Toyota models and falling behind only the Wigo, the Hilux, and the Vios. Today, we take our first look at the 2021 Toyota Innova. It's been 6 years since the second generation body was launched, and it's already primed for an update. The grille retains its overall shape, but it does get revised slats, a couple of accents by the headlamps, and chrome bottom borders. Below it is a sharper looking bumper that's been completely reshaped to accommodate the redesigned fog lamps and the front underbody garnish. The headlamps appear to be the same, but the signal lamps are new, and so are the LED daytime running lamps. While the sides remain untouched and the rear retains the same form, rear spoiler and all, it does get a new black glossy backdoor garnish and a dark outline on the taillights for the V and G trims. The cabin of the V and G trim get the new noble brown fabric seat material, while all else gets plain black. Captain seats are still exclusive to the V trim, which means it's a 7-seater. The rest are 8-seaters. The color of the accents in the cabin have also been darkened to match the noble brown fabric seat material. The steering wheel is the same. For the V and G, it's a combination of faux wood and leather, while the lower trims use polyurethane. Connectivity won't be much of an issue, especially with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Smart Device Link all making their debut, and they come standard on all trims except for the J variant. The V and G trims get the 7-inch display audio, while the other trims get the 6.75-inch monitor. Let's talk about safety. Vehicle stability control, hill start assist, these are features used to be exclusive to the V trim, but you'll be glad to know it now comes standard on the new Innova. Also, reverse camera and backup sonar are now standard on the V and G variants. No longer will Toyota Motor Philippines offer the gasoline-powered variant. What we're gonna get is the same 1GD FTV 2.8-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that's found in the Fortuner and the Hilux. But unlike its innovative International Multipurpose Vehicle or IMV stablemates, it doesn't get the higher output version. The output will differ based on the trim. So the J and E manual transmission trims only get 170 PS and 343 Newton meters of torque. All are rear wheel driven and can come in either a 6-speed automatic transmission with sequential control or a 5-speed manual. Price range is between $1,186,000 to $1,739,000. It's higher by about 4 to 5%, but it comes with all these updated features that allow it to punch above its weight class and attract buyers that seek both form and function. It's sportier, it's more user-friendly, and comes with a lot more amenities that appeal to a wider target market. This MPV recorded its highest sales in 2017 at more than 24,000 units. Will it make that mark or surpass it? We'll find out soon enough, but by the looks of it, this 2021 Toyota Innova is poised to take it there. I'm Eric Tipan from AutoIndustriya.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.